Make.com pricing explained. Free versus paid plans breakdown. Hey everyone, if you are looking at Make.com to automate your daily tasks, you have probably noticed their pricing page can be a little confusing. They have got sliders, credits, and entirely different features lists for every tier, and if you pick the wrong one, you're either going to run out of automation power mid-month or waste money on features you don't even need or use. Honestly, it is best to understand exactly what are you paying for before you put a card down. So in this video, we're going to break down the difference between the free, core, pro, and teams plans so you know exactly where your sweet spot is. We will also look at the hidden limits, the unexpected features that are actually free, and how to scale your workspace smoothly. And before we begin, if you want to try Make.com for yourself with the pricing we will mention, you can use my link down below in the video description to get 1 month for free and start automating your workflows today. Okay guys, and let's get to the first section, which is going to be the core currency, understanding credits and the slider. So guys, before looking at the individual plans, we need to understand how Make actually charges you. So the entire pricing structure is based on a sliding scale of monthly credits. So let me just go ahead into pricing. This is where we will see this. So as you can see, there you go. So a credit is consumed whenever a module in your workflow successfully performs an operation, like checking a row or sending an email. The base cost for any paid plan shifts depending on how many credits you select on the slider. For example, looking at the base tier of 10,000 credits per month, paying month to month brings the core plan to $10.59. So also don't forget guys, when you're browsing the pricing page, this slider is very important. So if you want to pay monthly, click here. If annually, click here. Alright, so the core plan is $10.59. Pro 2 goes down to $18.82 and Teams to $34.12. However, if you switch the toggle to pay annually, let me do that. There you go. You save 15% or more. That drops the exact same 10,000 credit tier down to $9 a month for core, $16 for pro, and $29 for teams. As your business grows and you drag that slider to higher credit amounts, your base monthly fee scales up with it. So guys, in order to check, so this slider is just insane. As you can see, we move anywhere from the minimum of 10,000 credits up to a whopping 8 million, right? So if you just drag this scale to the right, as you can see, now all of the plans are growing increasingly pricier in size, okay? As you can see, we have to pay way more. And also, as you can see, anything beyond 500,000 K credits is going actually be unavailable on the Pro plan, as you can see. So if you drag it all the way to the right or further into the right, now your only option is going to be Pro. Okay, and now the second section, the free plan versus the core plan. Let's discuss. Okay, so let's start with the free plan. So it costs $0, has no time limit, and gives you 1,000 credits every month. It includes access to over 3,000 standard apps and lets you use routers and filters. Also guys, if you scroll down, as you can see, we have a very detailed table of all of the various features and limitations on every single plan, as you can see. So you can just scroll down and see for yourself, but you don't really need to because I'm explaining to you everything in this video, of course. Okay, but in terms of the free versus the core, there are 3 massive limitations that will eventually force you to upgrade. First, you can only have 2 active scenarios running at the same time. Second, the minimum interval between automated checks is fixed at 15 minutes, meaning your workflows only look for new data 4 times an hour. Third, your maximum file size for automated attachments is capped at a tiny 5 megabytes. So now you know these limits, and upgrading to the core plan removes these roadblocks completely. You can also look at the table. So for $9 a month on the annual tier, you instantly get unlimited active scenarios. Your minimum check interval drops down to just 1 minute for near instant execution. Your file size limits jump to 100 megabytes, and your total account data transfer limit expands from 212 megabytes to a massive 5 gigabytes. And also, guys, more importantly, the core plan unlocks this Make Code app, which lets you run custom JavaScript or Python scripts inside your steps to transform complex data profiles seamlessly. So just go ahead and check this out. Okay, and now moving to the next third section, and the question, why move to Pro or Teams tiers? Let us discuss, guys. So if the core gives you unlimited workflows and fast execution times, so why look at the Pro plan? The answer comes down to troubleshooting and complex data management. So let us switch to annual and let me discuss. So at $16 a month annually, Pro adds 3 essential utilities for heavy workflows. First, it gives you full text execution log search. So on free or core, if an error happens, you have to click through your history manually to find the broken file. And Pro will let you type in a customer's name or ID to find the exact error instantly. Very handy. And second, it also unlocks custom variables, allowing you to store global data across completely different automation maps at the same time. And it's not over. Third, it gives you priority scenario execution to prevent your critical workflows from stalling during high traffic internet spikes. Okay, guys, if you are also running a business with a team, you will likely need the Teams plan at $29 a month annually. Pro only gives you a single user log, but Teams introduces full user access, roles, and permissions. So it also allows you to save your custom workflows as shared templates, so your coworkers can deploy them instantly across their own sub-accounts. And guys, don't forget, if you want to try Make for yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 1 month free and start automating together. Okay guys, and now we have section number 4, the enterprise tier and surprising AI truths. So guys, let's begin. Beyond Teams sits the enterprise plan, which uses custom pricing based on corporate needs. So how do you access it? As you can see, so I have noticed that on many services, I guess it's probably just how they function. So if you want even more unlocked tiers or more things for your plan, you actually don't have an ability to, as you can see, buy it straight off, right? Just like you usually would. So you just click on get started, right? Use our promo code, of course, guys, and then just sign up and pay with your credit card. As you can see, under enterprise, we have a little text, talk to sales. So let me explain. So this will use pricing based on the corporate needs, just like I said. It is the only tier that provides advanced security, like single sign-on enforcement, domain claims, 24/7 top priority senior support, and overage protection, so your workflows don't freeze if you suddenly run over your credit limit. But here's a surprising fact that a lot of people miss. You do not need an enterprise or pro plan to build advanced AI workflows. If you check the official comparison sheet under the Make plus AI segment, every single plan, including the 100% free tier, gives you full access to the AI toolkits. You get access to over 315 native AI applications, the MCP server connection, the built-in AI content extractor, and the ability to build and deploy custom AI agents using your own LLM API keys across any plan tier. The only catch is that if you use the built-in Make Code app to support your AI, you will spend 2 credits for every single 1 second of code execution time on any paid plan. Right then, guys, and now a conclusion. Which one should you choose? So which plan would work? So here's the simplest breakdown. If you are just getting started or building simple one-step automations for yourself, just use free. If you need multiple workflows running every minute without being restricted by file sizes, Core tier is the absolute best. Move to Pro only if you need deep log searching and error troubleshooting, and Teams once you bring other people on board to manage the system. That is it, guys. Hopefully this clears out the dust, as they say, and now you have a much better understanding of what to go for. Also, don't forget, if you want to try Make for yourself, use my link down below in the description of the video to get 1 month free and start automating your workflows today. That is it for this one. Like the video and subscribe, and see you in the next one.